Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. Puratasi Masam 2nd, 18th September 2025, Thursday, Vishwas Nama Sambalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsha Rado, Puratasi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Krishna Bhaksham, Tithi up to night 1:21 a.m. Dwadashi, then Trayodashi. Thursday, that is Guruvasaram, Nakshatram up to 9:32 a.m. Pusham, then Aila Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guligalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Today's good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. Sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtam for Dhanurashi. Shulam South. Prachittam Jinjali oil. Shraddha Tithi Dwadashi.